Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can delete Chrome history permanently. So first off, open your Google Chrome on your mobile. And then here, if we're going to tap on the search bar, you'll find all the search history. And then here, tap on the three dots at the top right-hand corner. And then tap on history. And then you'll find all the websites that you have just opened from the last hour. So if you're going to delete one by one here, for example, tap on the X icon at the right side. So you can basically use more time to delete all of the history or activity on your Google Chrome. So to basically bulk delete all the history, just tap on the delete browsing data right here at the top. And then from here, you will find the time range. You can select the time range if you want to delete last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. So in this case, I'm going to select last hour. Now you can delete or check this browsing history, cookies inside data, cache images and files, save password, autofill form data, and size settings. So you can just uncheck the last three and then check the first three here, and then click on the delete data button right here at the bottom right, and then click on delete to basically delete those history permanently. Now, another way is by going again to history section. Again, three dots to the top right and then tap on history. And then tap on this myactivity.google.com right here at the top. So once you tap on that, as you can see, you'll find all the activities from this account. So if you're going to delete the history, you just have to go here on filter by date and product. So right here, and then tap on the delete drop down menu. You can delete last hour, last day, all time, and custom range. So if you're going to select in custom range, you can choose what days to delete. And then if you're going to select all time here, you can specifically delete the product. So what happened when you delete activity? Your activity will be permanently deleted from your account and no longer used for personalization. So for example, if you want to uncheck all, just check these specific app. So tap on the next button right here at the bottom right, and it will delete all the history from this app or product. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.